Wala naman akong napala. He has a girlfriend? No, that's weird. Guys, happy Valentine's! Hello yung camera ko! Hi! So we're here sa isang photo booth dito sa... Hello, wala ko lipstick!
Nakaharang eh.
Ayun na, ay, parang... Ay, ako yan. Ala, parang maganda din kasi red to. Oo, yan. Ito, hindi ito. Hindi Valentine. Kasi tatlo lang. Tatlo lang eh.
Yung issue, guys. More issues
We're
to
getting
come.
married.
So I'm so excited for this very exciting day because I'm getting married to the love of my life. You know, we've been together for a very long time, like 2 weeks. So,
Yes, and we've been through so much. So
yeah.
this is a very special day for us.
What can you say? What can we say?
I want to say congratulations to the both of you since you guys has been, you know, been through a lot. Even though in that 2 weeks, you know, putukan na.
Eksena ka, te.
Naka dito na.
Te, bakit wala ka na nasa'yo? Kaya. Here's the bride.
Ito na.
Nak, ito sa'yo, nak. Oh. Here comes the bride! Yes na yan. Yes na yan for you. Hala! Pilingero naman ito. Feel naman niya. Ay, eto na. Ang gaganda naman ito. Ano ba yun? Naku naman yun. Si Father.
Today, we celebrate love,
Si Father
the
na din
foundation of
pala.
every strong and joyful partnership. This moment is one heartfelt tribute to the commitment we both share. Before we continue, let us take a moment to express your promises to each other. Please repeat after me. I promise to stand by your side,
I promise to stand by your side,
to support you,
support you,
to laugh with you,
to laugh with you,
and to create wonderful memories together.
and to create wonderful memories together.
Through all of life's ups and downs,
Each
Through all of life's ups and downs,
I choose you today and always.
I choose you today and always.
I promise to cherish our journey,
I promise to cherish our journey, to bring joy to our days, and to always be your biggest fan. No matter what life brings, I choose you today and always.
endless partner one, partner two. With these promises and symbols of your love, we embrace the adventure of life together. May your bond continue to grow, bringing you happiness, laughter, and countless beautiful moments. And now,
Picture.
with the power of this moment, I pronounce you officially united. You may seal it with a kiss. On the hand, guys.
As a mother, what will you say?
I'm so happy.
How happy?
Look, oh! Kayo ba? Hindi mahihirapan siya.
How happy are you? Here's the cupcakes.
Tapos, ate tayo yan.
Ate, akin na yan.
Hello everyone!
sa ba?
Lasing ka nga. Girl, if hindi siya lasing,
Hindi ako lasing.
hindi siya mag-aaya ng ganyan kasi she's broke.
hindi. Pag lasing ako, nag-i-English na ako. Hindi ako nag-i-English.
Naiihin naman ako.
Nagpa-tarot reading kami. Te, bakit ganun? Paano niya nalaman?
Totoo.
My third eye siguro yun, te. Third eye niya nasa nunal.
May ano po na sa seats natin.
Hala, pito-pito! Regular kami dito. Wala kayong karapatan, bakli. Ihi ng ihi.
Kasi,
Buntis yan.
So, the purpose of us going here today is because we wanted to go on a business meeting because we have this business idea that, you know, we really want to work on and we want to be rich in the future. So we're going to make a business proposal, we're going to make a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to go present it to Isa's mother because she might give us, or when she likes our idea, she's going to go give us the puhunan, you know, to buy the materials we need, the resources we need. So I hope that this goes well because honestly, we're like very driven and what do you call that? Driven people that have an ambition to be rich. So I feel like even if tough times come to us, we're gonna, you know, keep pushing forward to be able to become rich as fuck. Because we also want to be one of those bitches and businesses that go on pop-ups. Like, we want to be those girls for real. So, yeah.
Oh my God, kailangan ko lang maging mayaman. Hindi ako pwedeng mabulok sa ganitong pamumuhay na nagpapanggap lang na may pera.
That's all for today's video. She's back.
Di pa tayo. Saan? Yung sa gitna or sa dulo? Yung ko sa gitna.
Sa gitna. Para agaw pansin.
Pansin.
Sarap ng picnic. Binili lang nila to sa grocery store.
Yung inner thoughts niya lumalakas talaga.
Zip them out.
Look at my earrings. Bago to, binili ko nung nagfe-film kami. May new bazaar kasi doon.
May new? That's nice. It's nice.
Diba nung una pearl lang? Ngayon merong sparkly thing here
Diamond.
and then yeah,
Oh,
pearl
that's nice.
here.
How much?
50 pesos. 50? Yeah.
That looks good. It looks like 500 pesos. I'm not drunk, like I swear.
Those who are drunk always say that. That's their favorite line.
So that's sabihin ko, di lasing ako. Di lasing kasi ako.
Mm-mm.
Why say
Do you feel like we'll do good sa clubs?
Sa?
Clubs. Clubs. Like boom, 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 party, party.
I feel like we can. Kasi I've been to the booth and then the after party is like
Fire.
where people like literally twerk in the middle of the dance floor and bitches be pushing me in the middle of the dance floor and I'd be
Oh
like,
my.
I can.
You are drunk.
yeah.
Hmm?
No, like
No, because you're...
tipsy.
Yeah, because you're speaking in English.
No, because
now.
we're here in this establishment.
Earlier, you were not. Okay.
Oh, okay. No, kasi I've embodied the energy in this place, so that's why I'm like,
So you just needed a warm-up.
yeah, for real, bro.
Are you like... You're like...
And that shit. Sorry, I wasn't able to reply to you and shit because I was on a business meeting and shit.
Like, I don't understand his point because at the time where we were talking, I was also doing school, business, having hangouts with friends. I was doing it all while talking to him. So why can't he do the same shit to me? Also,
Because you're not a sundress girl.
exactly.
You're not a bob cut with the bangs.
And straight hair.
Yeah.
With a
it's-
basic outfit.
Yeah.
Also, he's saying na, oh, I want to be a lawyer and I always read books. But when he speaks, he sounds like he's illiterate. You're saying that you're a scholar, but you sound like you're stupid, like you skipped 5th grade. I need to give you an English lesson because you're embarrassing. If you think that what you're doing with the way you speak, like your gang sign language.
She needs to calm her ass down.
Parang masakit yung tiyan ko. Oh my gosh, Ellie. Are you here with us?
Your spirit is within us.
Di ba di kaya natin mag-club? Hi, excuse me. Are you single? What's your number? Hi, I am Athena and I'm from De La Salle University. And my family does real estate and we're rich as fuck.
And then we go to Europe every year, almost every 6 months, I guess. We go on a European cruise, and then I love bowling, I love golfing.
I'm sorry, I have to go because our driver is there.
Okay,
Why did
what's the name of your work driver?
Manong Ben?
He started asking questions.
Abrat-rat-rat-rat-rat.
Yeah, you're embarrassing. I am too.
Yeah, because you copied me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Honestly, this is like a good spot for a date.
Yeah. But we're not.
We're not dating. But we just got married.
Hindi ito yung ring namin, by the way. Hindi rin yan.
Yeah.
I got this at the... I don't remember. I'll look at it. Excuse me. May charging outlet.
Actually, doon pa ko sa may dulo.
Last time when we went here, may charging outlet.
Doon sa may bar area? Yeah, you want to go there?
Really? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Alam mo, itong wine na to, para siyang yung stethoscope.
What does that mean?
Stethoscope, the doctors.
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
Kala ko sabi mo, status quo. Uy, may word na ganun.
I know, but this to a stethoscope.
Stethoscope?
Stethos.
Stethoscope.
Yeah, stethoscope.
Hi, do you have a stethoscope?
No.
That's weird.
Anyways, let's talk about the tarot reading.
So,
it was mind-blowing. Yes.
there's this one thing that he said, he was like, na parang I act on emotion. Like, I feel
Really,
like,
when?
like, basta parang may sinasabi siyang emotion ko na hindi ko, kailangan ko
yeah.
control yung emotion ko
Yeah.
before, kasi makaka-affect sa other people. And I was like, kasi before I ghosted him,
You consult with a lot of people like Colleen and then ChatGPT, right?
yeah, and it was, his bullshit has been happening for a week and I was like keeping that in. I was controlling my emotions. So parang that kinda didn't connect. But, so, whatever.
Yeah, na ano ka rin. So, tinatry ko siya i-connect na parang, huh? Like, inuuna ba ni JK emotions niya? No. May times ba na gano'n? No, talaga.
Like siguro iniisip ko baka yung anger issues na parang nung
But
una
you
si-
don't act
Yeah,
impulsively.
I don't act on it.
But, parang yung akin na sabi niya, I'm looking for a long-term relationship daw. When in fact, I'm not. Kasi nga, I'm all for the play. Diba? So, in-accept ko na lang na, okay, you're right about some other things naman. So, let's, malampasin na natin yun.
I feel like what he's doing, he's gonna go throw ideas and he's gonna
Yes.
go based on your reaction of,
And then, tsaka niya lang dadagdagan yun.
okay, let's not think about it na, kasi parang nare-realize ko na tangina sa pera. No.
But, yeah,
For
it's-
the experience.
Yeah. Still a fun experience.
Kuya ko lagay, if ever mag
Try mo nga.
Hello,
Balik na lang tayo. Ayaw, kulit na yung uwi mo, Tong!
Orange spray ulan. Isa.
Wait lang pala, sorry. So, wait lang. Napapa-English kasi ako eh. So, una-una sa lahat, ang naramdaman ko sa paglilibot namin ngayon ay sobrang ganda ng pakikitungo nila sa amin, lalo na yung mga bata. Sila ay bumabate sa amin mismo. Tinatanong nila kung anong ginagawa namin. Bumingiti sila, nakakataba ng puso na ganun yung pakikitungo nila sa amin. At nakakalungkot lang na ang mga taong kagaya nila ay hindi nakakatanggap ng pagkakapantay-pantay sa tirahan, sa mga pribilehiyong nakukuha ng mga mas nakakaangat kumpara sa mga nasa laylayan. So, ang tagal ko lang dun sa video, pero ano naman ako napala. Anyways, nagugutom na ako dahil tagal ko naghintay dun, 2 hours ata. So, gagawa ko ng sushi bake mamaya. Wala kami pasok bukas kasi EDSA. Yes, let's go. EDSA 39, yes.
Hoy!
Si Oreo papansin. Hala, masarap kaya ito. Nakakapangduda. Huwag hagay kanin na.
ครูผู้สอนทุกคนในโฮมสคูลนี้ว่า
Tante, it's not yet done. Ibabash mo pag hindi pa done eh. Ay!
มาสเตอร์ผู้คุณจะต้องให้ความเคารพและเชื่อฟังคำสอนของมาสเตอร์อย่างเคร่งครัดรวมไปถึงเขตรั้วของโรงเรียนเท่านั้นและห้ามเข้าไปในเขตที่ไม่ได้รับออกไปเดินในป่า
Arya. Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Arya. Eme lang baklot.
Hoy!
Try mo. Madali. Kasi ako uuwi na maaga. Hindi ko Mama
Yun na umuya man sana.
Yeah! The texture yung... Bakit kasi super ano mo sa texture? Para lang akong kumain ng tuna. Wow! Gusto mo, Tim? Gusto mo,
Wala
Tim?
nang red! Green na
Tingnan
lang.
mo.
Tino lang.
Ito.
Tuna yan.
Tuna ilalagay dito. Duwag!
Tuna lang.
Ah! Pal ka man!
Uy! Hope, pabili nga Hope ng sito na red.
Bumili ka na lang sa iba. Ang taba!
Ayan.
Ayaw kita! Bawal ka dito sa vlog ko. Ayaw ko, ayaw ko nung naghuhugo. Ang pangit mo! Gagalawin ko dito yung towel mo dito. Teacher's pet. Si Bubu. Girl! Ano yan? Uy! Hala, natatakot ako! Hindi! Kanina pa yan! Uy! Nakakatakot ako na! Hala! Ano yan?
Ayan, di ako. Dito na ako position.
Ganyan ko.
Tandaan niyo pa ba? Ano yun?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Kapag nakaganyan yung ano.
May factory defect yan ah.
Okay, enough.
Oh, tatlong types ng bot na.
Single ba?
Intramolecular.
Intramolecular.
Covalent, ionic.
Covalent, ionic, metallic. Covalent, ito
Ano
yung...
ang involved sa ionic?
Non-metal, metal.
Non-metal to metal.
Valence.
Ano metal to non-metal?
Covalent.
Same non-metal.
Same non-metal.
Non-metal, non-metal, non-metal.
Ano non-metal sa metals?
Non-metal, non-metal.
Hindi, ayun.
Metal to non-metal.
Metal.
Or
Ionic.
vice versa.
Yes, guys.
Ayun.
Metallic is metal. Hey, back to back. Back to back.
Apat na. Apat si inter. Apat.
Is that the LDF?
LDF, dipole, hydrogen bond. Tapos, ionic.
Ion
Ion dipole.
Yung tatlong elements para matawag siya na hydrogen.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen, fluorine,
Fluoride.
nitrogen, NFO.
Fun.
It's more fun.
It's more fun with hydrogen.
You feel
Ion to polar.
Ulit nga. Ulit ano yun? Dipole.
Positive and to negative.
Ano?
Tinutunaw. Mixture.
Uy, pati hindi naman yung joke niya, be. Solute daw, teacher daw yun. Sige.
Ano yung tatlong saturation? Levels ng saturation.
Super
Saturated.
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated.
Saturated and saturated. Super saturated. Yes.
Unsaturated.
And super. No.
Super saturated. Ang intramolecular chemical reactivity. Ano ang physical?
Para sa iyo.
Ano ang physical? Ano yung physical? Chemical reactivity. Saan ang inter? Inter? Molecule. Atoms and
Molecule.
inter. Intra. Atoms of molecule. Yes.
Ato maraw niya ba?
Distribution siya ng
Symbol.
Electromagnetic distribution.
magnetic. Electronic lang.
Ha?
Electron distribution. Ano ba tawag? Ano tawag? Ano tawag? Ha?
Electrical configuration. Di ba electron configuration?
Electron.
Electronic.
Electron.
Pwede naman.
Electronic.
Nakalagay naman dyan.
Ang mga
Question. What is capillary action?
Yung capacity of the liquid to move upwards or against gravity.
Ayan ang hindi nag-review.
Tama ba?
Saan
What are the three types of covalent bond?
cohesion and then
Cohesion similar, adhesion to different
Again.
cohesion similar. Like kunwari cohesion.
similar. Cohesion. Cohesive natin. Kapag ito, cohesive. Ay, hindi ako fan-phobic. Sinasabi ko, malaki yung...
Alam niyo, yung talaga. Yan.
Malaki yung space na inaano mo doon.
Oh!
Hindi kita! Hindi kita kasama dito.
Bigyan mo lang kami.
Oo, te. Sa gitna, wala na. Thank you! Okay, next. Hello, Carlos, kita yung sinachat mo.
Oh my God!
What is crystal? What? Ano? Uniform.
Ano sila nakapili?
Amorphous.
When they're not
Not
wearing
uniform.
uniform.
So, corny.
Wala mo kasi bro.
Ano mo kasi doon na?
Hulaan ko kayo.
It is more than maximum amount of solid.
Isa!
Hey!
Isa!
More than the maximum amount of solid that can be dissolved in a given amount of time.
Sabi mo, diba? Dipole.
Sige!
Super saturated.
Ayaw mo na namin yung pila.
Lord, ba't di pa rin tapos pa?
Sabi mo, 1, 2, gano'n.
Bakla! Maawa ka kasi magkakasya.
Reklamo sila basics, diba? Sa kanya na ako lalo makikiwas.
Ano malalaman?
Alam mo ganda natin?
Ano ba sinasabi mo, Carlos?
Sabi mo, dipole. May nakakayang si Tanda. Ano yung mga ngayon?
Color ka.
Ano yung mga pole? LDF. Tapos, dipole, polar.
Hala! Hindi nito!
Dipole, polar. Hydrogen, polar. Ay.
Yung kita! Meron phone.
Ano ba yan?
Bye guys!